In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error that you get when you're trying to change your date and time on your iPhone. This error is going to say the time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions. And just so that we're looking at the same error in the same location, or if you're trying this for the first time to change your iPhone's date or time, head into Settings and then scroll down and then choose General. Inside of here, tap Date and Time. And now that we're inside of here, you'll see that you can't change the time zone settings. It's going to be grayed out, and then it'll show you that cannot be set manually due to a device restriction error. This is actually being caused by a setting inside of screen time. So, to fix this, to be able to change the settings inside of here, head back to the main settings menu. Next, find and select screen time. This was probably all set up when you first set up your iPhone, and you may not even use anything inside of here or know that it's turned on. What you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and then find the Share Across Devices option here. Tap the slider on the right to turn it off. Once you do, enter your screen time passcode. This is probably just going to be your main passcode that you use on your iPhone. Once that's off, now head back into your settings menu, choose General again, and then Date and Time. And when you come back inside of here, you'll see the message go away, and this time you can now turn off Set Automatically. When you turn this option off here, you can then manually change your time zone if you want, your date here with the calendar view, and finally, the time that your iPhone is going to display. Once you're finished making your changes, head back out of the menu here, and your iPhone will now display the settings that you just set it to. And if you change this because we just went through daylight savings time change, and it wasn't displaying properly, you could try rebooting your iPhone now, and then when it comes back, just heading back into General and Date and Time and turning this set automatically back on. You can then see if your iPhone starts to display the correct time. And that's how you fix the time zone cannot be set manually issue on an iPhone.